The Southern yellow squash casserole is made with fork tender yellow squash baked in a creamy cheese sauce that is topped with a buttery Ritz cracker topping. Every bite is delicious. Let's make it. Slice your squash about a 1/4 inch thick. You don't want them too thin or they will become mushy in the casserole. In a large skillet, melt butter, add diced sweet onions, your sliced squash, salt, pepper, and thyme. Cook until they're fork tender but not overcooked. Add your squash and onions to a colander to remove all the extra liquid. This is really important so that your casserole does not become watery and runny. In a mixing bowl, beat eggs, mix in sour cream, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and cheddar cheese. Add in your zucchini and onions. Then pour into a greased 9x13 baking dish. Mix melted butter and Ritz cracker crumbs. Then sprinkle the cracker topping evenly over the squash casserole. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Allow it to rest for 5 minutes before serving, which is something I didn't do because I wanted to dig into it immediately. Do as I say, not as I do. For the full recipe with all the measurements and additional cooking tips, please visit aforkstale.com.